Cheers to me. Cling. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking you on a spa / self-care weekend in preparation for my 29th birthday. So first off, I wanted to just eat whatever I want. That's how I feel relaxed. I eat donuts. Today was wash day, so I did my hair for the majority of the day, and now we are back in this evening time, and I am going to light my candle. I'm using the Snowflake Citrus candle from Bath & Body Works, and it smells oh so good. Next, I am going to cleanse my face using my Clarisonic Mia 2 spin brush for a deeper cleanse. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I've been personally doing my own eyebrows for I want to say maybe 3 to 4 years now. I'll go to get them threaded every once in a while, like if there's a special occasion at like a wedding or something. But other than that, I am tweezing my own eyebrows. Next is a facial. For this DIY facial, you'll just want to bring a pot of water to a boil. I like adding essential oils to mine. Today I added lavender oil. The scent of lavender increases alpha waves in the area of the brain, which is responsible for relaxation. It also lowers heart rate and blood pressure, and that is one of my favorite scents. Once the boiling hot water is transferred to another bowl, I'll take a towel, cover my head, and bring my face as close as I can to the steaming hot water. So this is what my face looks like right now, right after my facial. I would say I'm glowing. Eyebrows are a little bit red because obviously I just tweezed them, so they're a little irritated, but feel good. Next, I am going in with the Rose Gold Metallic Peel-Off Mask. It's good for toning, hydrating, and it's also anti-aging. It has 24 karat gold and rose hip in it. I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes while I get on to my DIY pedicure. I bought this foot bath from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below. I like to add an oil to it. This time I added tea tree oil and a few drops of the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap in the scent Hint Citrus. While I let my feet soak for a little bit, I will get on my laptop and either edit a video or watch other YouTube videos. Now, I don't know what this is called, but it's supposed to help remove all of the dead skin on your foot, so I am using that. And then I will go behind with a foot scrub and a pumice stone. I like to keep all of my manicure and pedicure tools separated from all of my other beauty tools and accessories. So I am pulling out this little tray that has all of those tools in it, and I'm going to clip my toenails, push back the cuticles, and file the nails as needed. And then I just let my feet soak in the water. I turn the massage and the bubbles on, and it feels so good. Next, I am using moisturizing foot masks, and they have sunflower seed and tea tree oil, and also shea butter and aloe vera extract. This is my first time using them, so I'm really excited to see how well they work. Now I am just peeling off my face mask, and oh my god, this hurts so bad. I don't know if it was because I left it on longer than the instructions told me to, or if it was because my face was like clean, so clean. I don't know. It hurt to peel off. Then again, I am going and eating more junk food because that feels good to me. I know it's not good for you, but sometimes you just gotta live. So I'm eating a cookie. Next, I am going in with Clinique's Moisture Surge face spray, and you just spray it on your face for a boost of moisture, and then going behind that with my moisturizer. So I have this jade roller here, and it's an electronic one, so you turn this on and it vibrates. I'm using this Tatcha Silk Peony eye cream sample that I received from Sephora. It is really good. It's an anti-aging eye cream that it really melts into your skin, and it has liquid silk in it. I've never heard that or used that before in my beauty products. And it's supposed to reveal youthful looking and brighter eyes. Now for the fun part. I am going to be painting my nails with these gel nail polishes that I received from Nail Addict. They also sent me the mini UV light to help quickly dry the nails. I will have a coupon code in my description box. I chose the color Text Me Later, and it's a pretty coral, which is perfect for the springtime. After finishing my pedicure, I figured it's too late to start on my manicure, so I just take some Gorgeous Sleep gummies that have melatonin and collagen, and then I wrap my hair up, take my earrings off, and put on my eye mask. It's an aromatherapy eye mask, and it has soothing lavender in it. Oh, I told you guys lavender is my favorite. In the morning, I'm using the same color, Text Me Later, for my nails, and I got a surprise Dunkin' Donut delivery from my boyfriend again. More donuts! After this, I want to take a nice warm bath. And personally, I don't take a lot of baths because I know I need to schedule at least 30 to 40 minutes of time set aside to do nothing. And I feel like I'm such a busybody that I don't like just sitting there, but I know I need to. So I really wanted this bath. I love using the Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. This one has shea butter and almond oil. I'm also using this Earth Supplied foaming bath. It's a bubble bath basically. And then I'm also using the bath salt that I made with my fresh rose petals. And I will leave a link for that video in the description box below. No need to fear, this is actually a bathing suit top and the shorts are just boy shorts. Of course, I'm going to be fully clothed in the bathtub for a YouTube video. I love using these 24 karat gold under eye patches. I got these from Amazon too, so I will leave a link in the description box below. And I find spa music from Apple Music and I just let that play to create a soothing and relaxing environment. Lighting another candle. This one is the white tea and sage from Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, they all smell so good. And by the way, I was using my stress relief wall plug-in, so all these smells, it just put me in the relaxing state. I got this really cute satin bonnet from TJ Maxx. That's my first time using it, but it was so cute, so I had to get it. I always sit in the bathtub for at least 30 minutes, no more than an hour, but I feel like that is enough time to actually sit and enjoy doing nothing. Sometimes I read a book, sometimes I drink wine. Today I just did nothing and it felt good. I always moisturize my skin as soon as I get out the shower or bath, and I lock in the moisture with the Johnson's baby oil. I also added some bronzer powder to it so that it gives my skin a finishing glow, and I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my spa and self-care weekend. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye.